Fast Rescue Boat Exit Exam Set 7. Multiple choice question. 1. For how long and at what speed is a fully loaded lifeboat designed to operate in calm weather? A. 6 knots for 24 hours. B. 4 knots for 48 hours. C. 3 knots for 24 hours. D. 10 knots for 24 hours. Correct answer. 2. EPIRB full form. A. Emergency position indicating radio beacon. B. Emergency position indicating radar beacon. C. Emergency position information radio beacon. D. Emergency people indicating radio beacon. Correct answer. 3. After the abandoned ship, survivors in a lifeboat must be given A. 1 liter of watch each. B. 2 liters of water each. C. No water for first 24 hours. D. Half LTR water each. Correct answer C. 4. As a vessel sinks to a depth of 15 feet, E. Hydrostatic trip, release the life raft container from its cradle by A. Releasing the CO2 canister. B. Releasing the tie-down strap. C. Breaking the weak link. D. Pulling the operating cord. Correct answer B. 6. When using the hand crank to retrieve and stow a lifeboat on gravity davits, which of the precautions should always be observed? A. Make certain the handbrake is disengaged. B. Put the emergency disconnect switch in the off position. C. Make certain the crank is in the locked position. D. Disconnect the limit switch. Correct answer B. 7. Why must the boat's coxswain make it clear to everyone that he is in charge? A. The coxswain should maintain a low profile and stick to his job of steering the boat. B. To establish proper leadership, which is vital in any survival situation. C. To ensure that his seat in the boat is reserved. D. To preserve food and drinking water. Correct answer B. 8. Where you find minimum drill requirements. 1. In Classification Society rules. 2. In the SOLAS Convention. 3. In Manager's instructions. 4. In Owner's instructions. Correct answer B. 9. Which is the life-saving signal for this is the best place to land? A. Red star rocket. B. Orange smoke signal. C. Green star rocket. D. Horizontal motion of a flag. Correct answer C. 10. The air cylinder bottles in the survival craft should be refilled with A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Compressed air. D. Nitrogen and oxygen. Correct answer C. 11. Which of the following certificates issued to a ship does not have predetermined validity for limited period? 1. International Load Line Certificate. 2. International Tonnage Certificate. 3. Cargo Ship Safety Certificate. 4. Safety Management Certificate. Correct answer 2. 12. Right-handed propeller will cause the survival craft to A. Walk the stern to starboard in reverse. B. Walk the stern to port in reverse. C. Run faster than a left-handed propeller. D. Right itself if capsized. Correct answer B. 13. Water ingress monitoring equipment for detecting. Water ingress in cargo holds is a requirement under A. Marpol Convention. B. SOLAS Chapter 12. C. BC Code. D. ISPS Code. Correct answer B. 14. To turn over an inflatable life raft that is upside down, you should pull on the A. Canopy. B. Man ropes. C. Sea painter. D. Riding strap. Correct answer D. 15. The muster list, station bill, of a MADU must be signed by the A. Person in charge. B. Coast Guard Marine Inspection Officer. C. Company Safety Director. D. Entire crew. Correct answer A. 16. If you reach shore in a life raft, the first thing to do is A. Drag the raft ashore and lash it down for a shelter. B. Find some GRP for a fire. C. Get the provisions out of the raft. D. Set the raft back out to sea so someone may spot it. Correct answer A. 17. Who is charged with appointing persons to be in command of the lifeboats and/or life rafts on a MADU? A. Rig superintendent. B. Tool master. C. Company man. D. Designated person in charge. Correct answer D. 18. Life raft light, usually what type? A. Galvanic battery. B. Solar. C. Seawater. D. None. Correct answer C. 19. Parent instrument for the mandatory ISM code. A. SOLAS CH4. B. SOLAS and MARPOL. C. SOLAS CH9. D. None of the above. Correct answer C. 20. Most important reason for taking anti-seasickness pills as soon as possible after entering a life raft is to 1. Assist in sleeping. 2. Reduce appetite by decreasing nausea. 3. Prevent loss of body moisture by vomiting. 4. Prevent impaired judgment due to motion. Induce deliriousness. Correct answer -3. 21. The safe and efficient use of the facepiece of a demand-type self-contained breathing apparatus is directly influenced by A. The donning of the facepiece. B. The stowing of the facepiece. C. Maintenance of the facepiece. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. 22. In each inflatable life raft, what equipment is provided to make quick emergency, temporary repairs to large holes in the raft? A. No equipment is provided. B. Glue and rubber patches. C. Several various sized sealing clamps. D. Self-adhesive rubberized canvas patches. Correct answer C. 23. Each fireman's outfits and its spare equipment on a MADU must be stowed A. In a locked cabinet in the machinery spaces. B. In an unlocked cabinet in the machinery spaces. C. In a separate and accessible location. D. At a fire hydrant location. Correct answer C. 24. In addition to the life jackets stowed in places that are readily accessible, life jackets must also be stowed at A. Each fire station. B. Each manned watch station. C. The mess room. D. Each lifeboat. Correct answer B. 25 SCBA safety lifelines have a static proof. Load. A at least 3.5 kN. B at least 6.0 kN. C at least 10.0 kN. D at least 15.0 kN. Correct answer A. 26 to release the davit cable of a davit launched life raft, you must A. Pull the hydraulic release. B. Pull on the ratchet handle. C. Pull the release lanyard. D. Push the release button. Correct answer C. 27. Which of the following detailed regulations should be mentioned in the training manual? 1. How to recover survival craft and rescue boat, including stowage manual. 2. How to recover survival craft and rescue boat, including securing manual. 3. How to recover survival craft and rescue boat, including cargo securing manual. 4. How to recover survival craft and rescue boat, including stowage and securing manual. Correct answer -4. 28. Falls used in launching shall be tuned for end at an interval of not more than X months and to be renewed not later than every Y years where A. 30 months/5 years. B. 20 months/3 years. C. 10 months/1 years. D. 15 months/2 years. Correct answer A. 29. Limit switches on gravity davits should be tested by A. Pushing the switch lever arm while the winch is running. B. Shutting off the current to the winch. C. The engineers from a panel in the engine room. D. All of the above. Correct answer A. 30. Immediately after abandoned ship, vessel, look out in life raft for survivors in water, food and water, land. None. Correct answer A.